Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain sequence and series problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. If A1, A2, A3 and so on An are in AP arithmetic progression, then we have to find root A1 plus root An by root A1 plus root A2 plus root A1 plus root An by root A2 plus root A3. So root A1 plus root A1 plus root An by root A3 plus root A4 and so on. Root A1 plus root An by root An minus 1 plus root An is. Okay. So let us observe this statement. In this statement, so numerator is same. Root A1 plus root An. So numerator take out common. Root A1 plus root An take out common. So it will going to be 1 by root A1 plus root A2. Okay. Plus 1 by root A2 plus root A3 plus 1 by root A3 plus root A4 and so on. 1 by root An minus 1 plus root An. Okay. So let us do rationalization. So root A1 minus root A2 divide and multiply and divide. In this one, root A2 minus root A3 multiply and divide. Okay, like remaining. So ending term root An minus 1 minus root An divide, multiply and divide. Okay, it will going to be root A1 plus root An into. So in this root A1 minus root A2 by, in denominator A plus B into A minus B, it will be A square minus B square A1 minus A2. So root A1 square minus root A2 square is A1 minus A2. So next term root A2 minus root A3 by, denominator also same, A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square, A2 minus A3 and so on. The root An minus 1 minus root An by, denominator value A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, An minus 1 minus An. But in the statement A1, A2, A3 and so on, An are in AP given. So in AP common difference equal. D is equal to A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 equal and so on. An minus 1. Okay. Now it will going to be, so root A1 plus root An. A2 minus A1 value D. So A1 minus A2 value minus D. So denominator minus, this is minus D. This is also minus D. A2 minus A3 also minus D. So A3 minus A2 is D. A2 minus A3 is also minus D. So minus D minus 1 by D take out common. So it will going to be root A1 minus root A2 plus root A2 minus root A3 and so on, root An minus 1 minus root An. In this, so root A2 get cancelled and so on, root An minus 1 also get cancelled. Okay. In this root a1 plus root an into root a1 minus root an by minus d. This continuation. So root a1 plus root an into root a1 minus root an by minus d. So it will going to be, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a1 minus an by minus d. Okay, we have nth term formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So in AP, in this an is nth term, an is equal to, what is the first term? A1, a1 plus n minus 1 into d. It will going to be, so a1 minus an formula, right? A1 plus n minus 1 into d by minus d. Okay, so a1 minus a1 minus n minus 1 into d by d. In this, one a1 get cancelled as well as minus d. Okay, what is the answer? N minus 1 is the answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 2. If the ratio of sum of n terms in two arithmetic progressions is 2n, so 2n is to n plus 1, then the ratio of eighth terms is this model most important. The ratio of sum of n terms of two APs. Okay, so sum of n terms Sn by S dash n is equal to 2n by n plus 1 given. Sn, the sum of n terms. Okay, so let us take small a and small d are first and common difference of first AP. Okay, and so A1, right? A1, D1, A2, D2 are first and common difference of second AP. Okay, so therefore Sn formula we have n by 2 times of 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. S dash n, so it will be n by 2 times of 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 2n by n plus 1. Okay, in this n by 2 get cancelled. So let us take equation 1. But our target is the ratios of eighth terms in AP. So T8 by T dash 8. This is our target. So T8 is A plus 70. This is A plus A1 plus 7D1. This is T dash 8 is A2 plus 7D2. D2. So T8 is eighth term in first AP. T dash 8 is second, eighth term in second AP. Okay. So in this ratio, so divide multiplied by 2. This is 2a1 plus 14d1 by 2a2 plus 14d2. Let us take second equation. So let us observe equation 1 and equation 2, where 2a1 is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 in first equation. In second equation having 2a1 plus 14d1. Okay, 14 can be written as 15 minus 1. Okay, this continuation now explains. From equation 1, 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 2n by n plus 1. So in this equation, put n is equal to 15. Put n is equal to 15. It will going to be 2a1 plus 15 minus 1. d1 by 2a2 plus 15 minus 1 into d2 is equal 2 into 15 by 15 plus 1. It will going to be 30 by 16 is equal to 15 by 8. 2 15j, 2 8j get cancelled. Okay. So 2a1 plus 14d. 2a1 plus 14d from equation 2. So 2a1 plus 14d. 2a1 plus 14d1 by 2a2 plus 14d2. So it will be t8 by t dash 8. Okay. So 2a plus 14d1. This is d8. 2a2 plus 14d2. This is in second AP 8th term is equal to 15 by 8. So what is the answer? Therefore, the ratio T8 is to T dash 8 is equal to 15 is to 8. This is answer. Okay, now I am going to explain question number 3. Question number 3. The sum of n terms in two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 1 is to n plus 4. Then the ratio of fourth terms. Okay, so this is also same model. This is same as question number 2. So what is given? The sum of n terms in two APs. So let us take A1, A2 and D1, D2 are first n common difference of two APs, two arithmetic progressions. Okay. So what is given? The sum of n terms of two APs are in the ratio 3n plus 1 is to n plus 4. So Sn by S dash n is equal to 3n plus 1 by n plus 4. We have Sn formula n by 2 times of 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. S dash n, it will be n by 2 times of 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2 is equal to 3n plus 1 by n plus 4. In this n by 2 get cancelled. Okay, let us take equation 1. But what is our target? The ratios of fourth terms in AP. So what is required? T4 by T dash 4. So T4 is nothing but A plus 3D, A1 plus 3D1. T dash 4 is A2 plus 3D2. Okay. So 1, 2 multiply and divide 2A1 plus 6D1 by 2A2 plus 6D2. 6D2. Let us take second equation. Let us observe first and second equations. So in first equation, put n is equal to in this 6d1. So let us observe. So d1 term 6d1, this is 6d2. In this n minus 1 into d1 given in equation 1. So n minus 1. So put n is equal to 7. It will going to be n is equal to 7. 2a1 plus 7 minus 1 into d1 is 6d1 by 2a2 plus 6d2. 7 minus 1 into d2 is equal to 3 into 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 4. So it will going to be 22 by 11 is equal to 2. So 2a1 plus 6d1 by 2a2 plus 6d2. So this is nothing but t4 by t dash 4 is equal to t4 by t dash 4. What is the answer? 2:1 ratio. Okay, the ratios of fourth terms is 2:1. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.